Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a vegan lemon cake. I won't be using any eggs and I'll be using olive oil as my butter. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my little setup and then we're gonna get straight into making our cake. I just preheat the oven, so we're gonna start. We're using lactose-free milk. We have some olive oil, some lemon juice, some vanilla essence, some salt, baking powder, lemon zest, flour, and sugar. We're gonna put all, you can't see my face, but yeah, we're gonna put all our wet ingredients together, but we're gonna start off with the lemon zest first though. Okay, so we have our pan. The oven just went off, so we're gonna try to pour our mixture into the... I think I want to eat this spatula. Pour our mixture into the thing without putting it in the middle. So this is a batter, and then we're gonna pour it in. Okay, so this is the cake, and we're gonna stick it in the oven. Okay guys, the cake is out of the oven. I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it out of the pan. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.